Are you getting those frustrating integration errors because API access is disabled on your Salesforce profiles? You know the ones, where your external tools just won't connect and you're stuck manually entering data. In 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fix that by enabling the API. Here's the plan. We'll start from your home screen in Salesforce, open up the advanced setup, find the right profile, and check one simple box. It's straightforward once you know where to look. So let's begin from the Salesforce home screen. You'll see a gear icon in the top right corner. That's the Quick Settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to almost all the administrative controls in Salesforce, so it's a good spot to get familiar with. Now, from that Quick Settings menu, you're going to click on Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the main setup area, where all the serious configuration happens. Don't let the name intimidate you. It's really just the control panel for your Salesforce org. Once you're inside Setup, look for the Quick Find box at the top of the left-hand sidebar. This is your best friend for navigating Salesforce Setup because everything is searchable here. Type the word Profile into that box. As you type, Salesforce will start filtering results instantly. You'll see profiles appear in the search results. Click on that. This brings up a list of all the profiles in your org, and there might be quite a few depending on how your Salesforce has been set up over the years. Each profile controls what users can see and do. Now, you need to choose a specific profile to modify. Find the one that belongs to the users who need API access. This could be a standard profile like System Administrator or a custom one your team uses. Once you've found it, click the Edit button next to that profile. Don't worry, this won't change anything until you save at the end. And here's where you need a bit of patience because the edit page can be long. You're going to scroll down through all the settings until you find a section called Administrative Permissions. I've done this setup myself quite a few times, and I can tell you, it's easy to accidentally miss it if you scroll too fast. The permissions are listed alphabetically, so look for the A section near the top of that list. Now for the magic. Inside Administrative Permissions, find the checkbox labeled API Enabled. Go ahead and check that box. This is the single setting that determines whether users with this profile can connect external applications to Salesforce through the API. Without it checked, any integration you try will just fail silently or throw errors. Once you've checked that box, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. And that's it. You've just unlocked API access for that profile. Any user assigned to this profile can now connect their external tools, and those integration errors should be a thing of the past. One quick tip from experience. If you have multiple profiles that need API access, you'll need to repeat this process for each one. But now that you know exactly where to go, it takes about 30 seconds per profile. You've gone from being stuck with integration failures to having full API access enabled, and your external apps can finally talk to Salesforce the way they're supposed to.